Hi everyone. Today we're gonna learn about how to make wine.
How to make wine? Cách làm rượu. Okay, how many steps are there? Teddy?
5.
5 steps. Now, let's start with step number 1. Can you take it up? Okay. Step number 1. What is this?
Harvesting.
Harvesting? What do people do in this step?
Go to the vineyard and get some grapes.
And then step number 2
is crushing.
What do people do?
Put the grapes into the blender and crush it. And this happens.
Okay. And then let's come to step number 3. What do people do in here?
Put the yeast into the must.
And then
fermentation. And the yeast mix the sugar and then it turns to alcoholic fermentation.
Okay. And then
What
is the step number 4? What is step number 4?
Racking.
Racking? What happens in here?
We pressed.
Press?
And then the wine will go into the barrel.
What are the barrels made of?
Oak tree.
Yeah. And the wine will stay here for a while and then the final step is filtration.
And then
what happened here?
The barrel just spit out and then it goes into the filter and then the wine goes in the bottle and they close it.
And then we will have a wine. Where do people sell wine?
To the market.
We will sell wine in the market?
Yeah. I put it on your feet.
And who will buy it, Teddy?
Daddy.
Daddy? Does Daddy drink wine?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Daddy is adult, so drink wine.
What about you? Can you drink wine?
No.
Why?
Because I'm a child.
Child cannot
It's turning
drink wine.
to red one. See this red? It's red.
Okay. Thank you, Teddy.
Bye.
Bye.